Hello, and welcome back to Dream Cars. In today's video, we're going to take a detailed look at the highly anticipated 2026 Mitsubishi Triton L200 *, a workhorse that combines rugged durability with modern features. Whether you're tackling tough terrains, hauling heavy loads, or just enjoying a drive, the Triton L200 has been designed to perform. So, let's dive into the exterior, interior, and all the key features of this powerhouse. The exterior of the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton L200 showcases a bold and rugged design, making it the perfect vehicle for both work and play. The front is dominated by Mitsubishi's dynamic shield grille, which is wider and more aggressive, giving the Triton L200 a commanding presence on the road. The sharp LED headlights paired with daytime running lights not only enhance the truck's aesthetic appeal but also offer increased visibility for both safety and style. Moving to the side, the body of the Triton L200 boasts muscular wheel arches, complementing the truck's rugged nature. The vehicle sits on large, sturdy alloy wheels, perfect for both off-road adventures and urban environments. Whether you're navigating a construction site or cruising through the city, the design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. At the rear, the L200 features a reinforced tailgate with Mitsubishi's signature logo, ensuring both strength and style. The rear bumper is designed to withstand tough impacts, while the bed itself is spacious, providing ample room for cargo, making it perfect for work purposes or leisure trips. Key exterior features: dynamic shield grille with bold, modern styling, LED headlights and daytime running lights, muscular wheel arches with large alloy wheels, reinforced tailgate with Mitsubishi logo, spacious cargo bed with robust construction. Step inside the *2026 Mitsubishi Triton L200 *, and you'll experience a refined cabin that perfectly balances comfort with durability. The interior is designed to withstand the rigors of a work environment while providing a comfortable and functional space for both drivers and passengers. The dashboard is equipped with high-quality materials, offering a tough, yet elegant look. The center console features an intuitive touchscreen display for easy access to the infotainment system, which includes features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The touchscreen is complemented by physical buttons, allowing you to quickly adjust settings while on the move. The seating in the Triton L200 is designed for comfort, with premium upholstery and ergonomic support for long drives. The seats are spacious, with enough legroom and headspace, ensuring comfort on both short trips and long hauls. The driver's seat is fully adjustable to find the perfect driving position, and the steering wheel is leather-wrapped, providing both comfort and a premium feel. Key interior features: high-quality, durable materials for the dashboard, intuitive 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium upholstery with ergonomic support, spacious seating for both driver and passengers, leather-wrapped steering wheel for added comfort, plenty of legroom and headspace for a comfortable ride. Now, let's take a look at the back of the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton L200 *. This is where the vehicle really shines as a workhorse. The cargo bed has been designed to handle heavy loads with ease, making it perfect for carrying everything from tools to heavy equipment. The bed has a durable, non-slip surface, ensuring that your cargo stays secure even on rough terrains. For added convenience, the bed features tied-down hooks and a smooth finish to make loading and unloading easier. The rear bumper is designed with both protection and functionality in mind, allowing for easy access to the cargo area. The tailgate is robust and can be easily opened with one hand, thanks to a gas strut-assisted system that makes lifting and lowering much smoother. Additionally, the L200 features a towing capacity that makes it ideal for hauling trailers, boats, or other heavy-duty items. Whether you're hauling equipment for work or going on a weekend adventure, the Triton L200 has you covered with its impressive towing capabilities. Key backside features: durable, non-slip cargo bed with tie-down hooks, easy-to-use tailgate with gas strut assistance, towing capabilities for hauling heavy loads, sturdy rear bumper for protection and accessibility, large cargo capacity perfect for work or play. The 2026 Mitsubishi Triton L200 is not just about good looks, it's built to perform. The L200 comes with an advanced 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers excellent power, efficiency, and torque for all your driving needs. Whether you're driving through the city or tackling rugged terrains, this truck provides a smooth yet powerful ride. The 4WD system, combined with the rear locking differential, ensures that the Triton L200 is ready for any off-road challenge, providing superior traction in challenging conditions. Whether you're climbing steep hills or navigating through muddy paths, the L200 is built to tackle it all. Key performance features: 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine for impressive power and efficiency. 4WD system with rear locking differential for off-road traction. Smooth ride quality with excellent towing capacity, ideal for both on-road and off-road driving. Safety features: safety is always a top priority, and the *2026 Mitsubishi Triton L200 doesn't disappoint. The truck comes with advanced driver assistance systems, including forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, all designed to keep you safe on the road. The L200 also features a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, which is a testament to its ability to protect both the driver and passengers in the event of an accident. Key safety features: forward mitigation to reduce the risk of accidents, lane departure warning to help stay in lane, blind spot monitoring to keep an eye on unseen areas, 5-star ANCAP safety rating for maximum protection. The 2026 Mitsubishi Triton L200 is the perfect blend of rugged durability, innovative technology, and modern design. Whether you're using it for work or adventure, the Triton L200 has been engineered to meet your needs. With its powerful engine, 4WD capabilities, advanced interior features, and impressive safety tech, this is the truck to get the job done without compromising on comfort or style. Thank you for joining us today on Dream Cars *. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more updates and reviews on the latest cars and trucks. See you in the next video.